Welcome to AGORACOM Talks, your weekly go-to source for the best small-cap headlines for over 65 million investors since 2007. We are coming at you with a breaking news, rapid-fire deep dive today.
Oh yeah, we have a lot of ground to cover.
Exactly. The mission of this deep dive is to rapidly deliver today's most market-moving small-cap mining and metals headlines. We want to give you the hard financial and drilling data you actually need to kickstart your own research.
Right, no fluff today. We are looking at companies that are fundamentally de-risking their projects.
So let's get right into it. What is our first headline?
Well, first up is LaFleur Minerals, trading under LFLR. The headline is, LaFleur Minerals and Trafigura progress toward definitive agreement, Beacon Gold Mill nearing gold production restart.
Okay, let's unpack that financial data. They're proposing a 30 million Canadian dollar prepayment facility, right?
Yeah, and they just extended the exclusivity on that to August 2026.
See, the key word for you there is non-dilutive. Getting cash to finish a mill without printing new shares is huge.
Exactly, it protects the retail investors. And physically, that Beacon Gold Mill is already at 84% completion.
Wow, 84%.
Yeah. CEO Paul Tenier actually said this Trafigura process provides strong validation, which supports a really disciplined restart.
Right. Well, getting an industrial project to that 84% mark takes serious engineering. And, speaking of engineering breakthroughs, let's look at HPQ Silicon.
Ah, yes. Trading is HPQ. Their headline reads, HPQ advances deployment strategy for its Fumed Silica Reactor technology as successful pilot program expands market opportunities.
So what did this pilot actually prove?
It proved they can produce commercial-grade fumed silica directly from quartz.
Wait, directly from quartz?
Exactly. CEO Bernard Turrion said the successful pilot transformed the FSR from just an engineering development project into a fully scalable industrial platform.
That is a massive chemistry win in the lab. But, what happens when we take that same problem-solving approach out into the field?
Well, that brings us to Great Atlantic Resources, trading as GR.
Right, into the dirt. What is the headline?
The headline is, Great Atlantic Resources partner expands newly discovered blind massive sulfide lens at Pilley's Island project.
Okay, for anyone not deep into geology, a blind lens means the deposit doesn't outcrop at the surface at all. It is completely hidden underground.
Right, so finding it is a huge win. Holes 9 and 10 intersected this new massive sulfide lens and actually extended the zone by 40 meters.
40 meters, that is significant.
Yeah. HM Exploration CEO Nick Rodway said, quote, these visual results continue to strengthen our geological model.
Well, it's all about using the right methods to uncover what is hidden, right? Which leads perfectly into IDEX Metals, trading under IDEX.
Oh yeah, the headline there is IDEX Metals confirms significant tungsten enrichment at Freeze.
And the data here is crazy. We're talking massive hits on reassays, like 180.5 meters of 1.11% WO3.
And a really high-grade spike of 1.2 meters at 1.55% WO3. CEO Clayton Fisher says these tungsten reassay results have meaningfully changed how they view the Kismet system.
Okay, wait. I need to play devil's advocate here for a second.
Sure, go ahead.
They got these incredible numbers by switching to a new lab testing method, right? Sodium peroxide fusion.
Yes, that's correct.
So, is this just a magic trick? Like, are they just using a lab gimmick to boost their numbers for a flashy press release?
It is a totally fair question, but no, this is not a gimmick. The old 4-acid method they used actually fails to dissolve scheelite.
Scheelite is the primary tungsten mineral, right?
Exactly. That old method was literally missing 91% of the tungsten.
Seriously, 91% was just missed.
Yeah, I couldn't break it down. So this sodium peroxide fusion completely dissolves the rock. It is a legitimate system upgrading correction.
Wow. That is an unbelievable overnight upgrade to their polymetallic model. So speaking of aggressive upgrades, let's pivot to Next Gold Mining, trading as NEXG.
Right, their headline is Next Gold intersects 12.06 grams per ton, gold over 6.0 meters.
12 grams over 6 meters near the surface is incredibly economic to extract.
It really is.
Yeah.
And they are aggressively expanding their reverse circulation drill program to 40,000 meters to back that up.
Wait, 40,000 meters? That is a massive commitment for a junior miner.
Yeah, well, CEO Kevin Bullock stated this drilling is confirming the continuity, tenor, and thickness of near-surface mineralization.
Right. So if we step back and look at all this data, what is the big summary for you, the investor?
Whether it is an 84% completed mill avoiding dilution or massive assay upgrades, today's headlines all point to tangible project de-risking.
Yeah, they are fundamentally proving their value. Which leaves me with one final question for you to mull over.
Let's hear it.
If IDEX unlocked massive tungsten value simply by using a better assay method, how many other legacy properties out there are sitting on undiscovered critical metals, completely hidden by outdated testing?